Guys, welcome back. So today we got a little something different for you. We are going to give you guys your garage footage that you have been asking for. So today I'm out here at Josh's place and we need to get his car ready so we can race tomorrow. Today is Friday and so as you guys know, last week his drive shaft came out. I was here Wednesday, I believe it was, and we got the drive shaft out, got the car all apart. But today we're going to get that car back together. We're going to put the new drive shaft in, so you guys get to see that today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and drop us a comment down below. Guys, we are out here with Josh now. Say
what's up, what's up?
All right, so first off, I think we got to get his, straighten out the linkage first, right?
Right.
All right.
It's a little bent.
That's some of the bad luck from last week.
We'll get a hammer straightener out, make it look brand new. The bent one. This is steel and that's aluminum.
All right, guys, so this here is the old drive shaft. As you can see right there, it's bent right here.
They had completely broke this completely off. They just sanded it down and grounded it back out for him to be able to use it again, because they didn't have the part that they needed for it. So we stayed out until freaking 10 o'clock last night getting that done.
This right here is Jordan. She's a car expert. Alright, I don't know if you guys heard me before, but this right here is the new drive shaft. This one is aluminum. Looks a lot bigger, but it's a lot lighter.
I'm lighting them. They're all over there. Okay.
Oh, man.
Brand new.
Yeah, it actually does look better. All right, guys, so far we got the body on, bolt check, and we're currently working on the drive shaft. Injuries for the list: Josh damn near ripped his finger off. But other than that, we're doing pretty good.
Got some electrical tape on it. That's all.
All right.
Sorry.
It's a man's Band-Aid.
What do you guys think about the garage? This is what we're working with here.
Pretty sweet setup.
It's a very great shop.
It's a great, great shop. All right, guys. So far, we've got everything on. The drive shaft's on. The body's on. Pretty much ready to race, right?
Think so.
Well,
Ready to beat the shit out of it again.
So we're going to test it out tomorrow before we leave. Make sure the drive shaft's good.
Yeah, we'll take her through the neighborhood, crack on it a little bit, make sure she ain't gonna come back out.
Sounds good to me. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and drop us a comment, and we'll see you guys at the track tomorrow.